I want to share some of my favorite Wunda chair exercises. The first thing that I really like to do is what I call the swan levitation. So we're going to crease the hips on the edge of the box, and we're going to push the pedal down. So I've got sort of two heavy springs on here. You want a little bit of support. I'm going to push down, feel how your shoulders kind of round and hunch. Now smile your collarbones and slide your armpits down, keeping your arms straight, just to find that good position of your arm bone in your shoulder socket. Your toes are tucked under. Now lift your belly, feel your pubic bone pushing slightly towards the front of the box, and let the spring help you as you move your spine into extension. And then slowly come back down. Now, it's not about pushing the pedal. Let the pedal support the movement. So I'm not going to change the position of my shoulders as I'm doing this. Lift the belly, slide the spine towards the breastbone, move the breastbone forward between the window of your arms. Let your eyes follow along as if you're painting a stripe along the floor to the point between your hands. Exhale, lift the tummy to support the lower spine and activate the base of the glute. Move your breastbone forward and paint a line with your eyes. And then reverse the direction and come back down.